Hi friends, welcome to MaxMe Education online classes. Today our topic probability is a part 2 on that. So our topic is playing cards. So playing cards. Most of the times they are asking in state syllabus or central syllabus. They are asking even some competitive exams also is asking. So first in this playing cards, actually total playing cards we have 52 cards. We have actually 53. One is joker or jockey. Joker we are not consider here. Okay. So here we are consider only 52 cards only. On that. So A as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 9, 10. After jockey, king and queen. Total 13 cards, 13 numbers. So 9 numerical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numerical, 4 alphabetical. Total 13 numbers, 13 cards. 13 cards. These 13 cards have 4 sets. Each one is 4 different sets. For example, A have one spread, one club. One spread A, one club A, one heart A, one diamond A. How can we find it? These given symbol, these symbols only, spread and club. How many A's? A's have 4 in. Here A have only 4 A's. 2 also 4, 3 also 4, 4 also 4, 5 also up to 13. So Q means up to 13. 13 4 ja 52. 13 4 ja 52. Exactly 52 cards are there on that A to Q. Each one have 4 sets. That is the spades, club, heart and diamond. Okay. So these spades and club are black colors. Black. These two are black colors. Next, these two are red. Don't be confused. In examination point he is asking. So heart, no, what is heart? Heart is always in red color only. So simply for understanding. And diamond. Diamond is not in black. Okay. So another color. That means this heart and diamond are red. Spades and clubs are black. Okay. So how many is black cards? 26 black cards. Because 13 spades. Spades how many? Total 13 spades, 13 clubs and 13 hearts and 13 diamonds. 13 spades, 13 clubs, 13 hearts, 13 hand. Total black color 26 black color cards and 26 red color cards. Okay. Total 52. Total 52. Don't be confused. Total 52 cards on the 26 black, 26 red. On the 26, first 26, one is 13 is spread and 13 is clubs. 13 is and second one red 26, 13 is hearts, 13 is diamond. And the code numbers A to Q. A means no 1. Here direct 1 instead of 1 you are writing as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is no 11. Instead of 11, J, K means king, Q means queen. Okay. These are the playing cards introduction. Next we are going through problems on playing cards. Okay. Right. Copy it. Next. Problems on cards, playing cards. On that is given one problem. So observe. One card is drawn at a random from well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability is given. Is given some problems. We have to find the probability. So first one, an ace. So solution. So we are drag one card from the 52 cards. We have to find the probability of that card is ace. That card is ace. What is the formula? Probability of P of is equal to number of favorite outcomes by total outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Total how many R's solutions? Total R's are favorable outcomes. Total favorable outcomes of A or R's is equal to 4 only, because in 52 cards we have only 4 A's. Okay? So what is the principal? P of E is equal to 4 by total cards, total 52. 4 by 52. 4 1s are 4, 4 13. That is the probability is 1 by 13. Okay? Next. This is the first problem is over. Next. Second we have to take a red jack. A red jack. Actually jacks have 4. How many jacks we have? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On that 2 is black, 2 is red. 2 is black and 2 is red jacks. Okay? One is heart and diamond, only red color. So now we are using. So total favorable outcomes is only 2. Only 2. Only 2. Okay? Right. Next, total outcomes 52. Total outcomes is 52. Total outcomes is 52. Principle. What is the principle here? Favorable outcomes by total outcomes. 2 1s are 2, 26. That is equal to probability is 1 by 26. What is the probability? A red chalk. When randomly we are pick up one card from that 52 cards. The probability, the card is red jack. Answer is 1 by 26 occur. Next. Third, a face card. A face card. What is the face card? So K, J and Q. These 3 cards are called face cards. K, J and Q's. K, J and Q are called face card. So how many K's? K's are 4. J also 4. J also 4. Q also 4. Total 12. Total 12 cards. Total 12 face cards. Total 12 face cards. K, J, Q are called face cards. Total 12 face cards. Now applying. So favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes is 12. How many? 12 favorable outcomes. Total already we know 52. Total outcomes 52. So principle, number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Whenever you have to solve the problems, every time you have to write this principle. In competitive exams not, in generally you are writing exam halls only you have to use this only. Okay? Right. Total 12 by 52. 12 by 52. Okay? So 2 6 are 220. 2 2 ja, 2 6 ja. Again 2 3 ja, 2 13 ja. That is equal to 13 by 13. 13 by 13 is the, what is the probability of the face card? 3 by 13 is the probability of the face cards. Okay, now it is over. Next, again one. Next, what's a king of spades? King of spades. How many kings we have? 4 Ks. 1, 2, 3, 4. On that, one is spade, club, diamond, and heart. So how many spades? Only one only. One only spread. So now you have to apply. So what is the favorable outcomes? Only one outcome. Number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes is 1. Total outcomes is 52. So probability is 1 by 52. Probability is 1 by 52. Probability is 1 by 52. Okay, next. Again one. What is another problem? A 10 of red shoots. 10 of red shoots. Observe here. So 10 you have 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 2 reds are black. Again 2 reds are red. So how many? 2 is the favorable outcomes. So remaining 52. 2 by 52. So observe here. So number of favorable outcomes. For our convenience I am writing f of. Actually I am favorable outcomes is 2 and total outcomes is 52. Therefore substitute in the principle P of V, probability of is equal to 2 by 52, that is equal to 1 by 26. This is another one problem on chords. Okay, right, copy it. Next, again one problem. In a lottery there are 9 prizes and 16 blanks. 9 prizes and 16 blanks. What is the probability of getting prize? Solution. Total, we have total choice, total spades or total choice or total outcomes is equal to 9 plus 16, that is equal to 25. Some members are saying, some authors are saying outcomes, some authors are saying choice. Okay, right. Next, so total outcomes is 16. Getting prize choice or outcome. Getting prize or choice, outcome is 9. Getting problem 9. Okay, what is the probability? What is the formula of the probability? Number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes by total outcome. Number of favorable outcomes how many? 9 choice. Total 25. Simple. Okay. The problems on probability is very easy and very shortly. But understanding is, if you understanding, we can do. If understanding is the difficult problem. Okay. Right. Copy it. Next, again one problem. One card is drawn from a 52 playing cards. We have to find the probability. First one, either red or king. How we have to find? So, solution. What is P of E? Probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes per total outcomes. This is the only basic principle, right? On that, how many red colors? Red cards. Total red cards is 26. Over. Next, total kings. Kings is 4. But can't observe here. Already 2 kings are red. Already these 2 are in 3 only. So you have to treat king only 2. Because already 2 kings are here only. 2 kings are here. Therefore, we have to take kings only 2. So, number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes is equal to 26 plus 2, because 22 red cards already on that red 2 is 2 kings is there, remaining 2 is only 2 kings, only 2. 26 plus 2 is equal to 28. Therefore, what is the formula? 28 by 52. 28 by 52, because favorable by total. Favorable by total. Okay, right. 7 next to 30. 7 by 30. Okay, 7 4 ja 28, 4 13 ja. This is the probability of the getting red or a king. Red or a king. Right. Next. This is over. Next, observe. Either king or a queen. Either king or a queen. How many kings? Kings 4 are queen. Kings are queen. Queens also 4. Kings 4 and queens 4. Total 8. So, total 8 favorable outcome. How many 8 comes? Total 8 favorable outcomes. Therefore, P of E is equal to 8 by total outcomes 52. 4 2 ja 4 13 ja. 4 2 ja 4 13 ja. This is the probability of P of E. P of E. Next, again asked neither king or queen. That means whatever we have to pick up one card that is not king or not queen. Not king. It is not a king or not a queen. So automatically this is the probability of this is king or queen, but not. That means converse. That means next. This is P of E. Observe here. P of E is equal to 2 by 13. P of E is equal to 2 by 13. Next, not is asking vice versa. Not. This is a possibility. Possibility of getting king and queen. Next, impossibility. Not possibility. That means P of E dash R bar. P of E dash R bar we have to find. P of E is equal to 2 by 3. P of E naught means how much we have to find. What is the probability? P of E plus P of E dash R E bar. E dash is equal to 1. P of E 2 by 13 plus P of E dash is equal to 1. P of E dash is equal to 1 minus 2 by 13, that is equal to 13 minus 2 by 13, that is equal to 11 by 13. 11 by 13 is the probability of not getting king or not getting queen. Okay, these are problems on probability part 2. Okay students, thank you for watching my video.